Looking at question 3 here, actually, this is not really so much of an atomic structure question, but more of like a bonding type of question. This is more like bonding. So, first up, we need to know that nitrogen trifluoride, NF, okay, this is actually a covalent compound. Nitrogen plus fluorine, both are non-metals, so it will form a covalent compound. So next up, in order for us to draw the dot and cross, in simple terms, I always tell my class to write the chemical formula first. How do you get the chemical formula? It's actually by looking at the special number. So nitrogen has a special number of 3, or fluorine has a special number of 1. So what you need to do is do the crisscross method, and you'll realize the formula is NF3. So once you get the chemical formula, you can actually determine the structural formula. Okay, where you have NFFF. How do you determine the structural formula? Is you're actually looking at the special number. Okay, the special number actually tells you the number of bonds of each element. Okay, so once you have found the structural formula, next up, you need to draw a dot and cross. So to draw the dot and cross, we know that nitrogen is in the middle, surrounded by 3 fluorine. And each of these bond over here, every single bond is to 1 cross and dot. You can see in the overlap region is a cross dot, cross dot, cross dot. How do we find out the remaining electrons? We know that nitrogen is in group 5, it has a number of 3. So how many remaining electrons are there? So what you need to do is take 5 minus 3. So you have 2 electrons here. And for fluorine, it is in group 7, has a special number of 1. So 7 minus 3. Minus 1. So what you'll get is 6 electrons. So you can see each of my fluorine here, they have 6 electrons. So therefore, your final answer will look like this.